Hi everyone, my name is Christy, and in today's video I am trying out the NARS Velvet Eyeliner that I have here in the shade Blue Lotus. So a blue eyeliner is not a typical makeup product that I'm reaching for, but we're right at the 4th of July, so I figure this would be a great product to try out today. Plus, I kind of have a bit of a 4th of July festive dress on, so let's go for that type of red, white, and blue theme. I actually put on, right before this, a blue tinted lip balm. Let me show you. It's from Lipstick Queen. It's the Hello Sailor color changing blue lip balm. So I am really going for this blue theme right now, but what I just thought of would be a perfect 4th of July red, white, and blue type of look would be a blue eyeliner with a red lip. Let's get on to this blue eyeliner. I'm very intrigued by this Blue Lotus color. And so this is the type of eyeliner that you would just take a pencil sharpener to sharpen it once it starts to get dull. No twist up, anything like that. Let's go ahead and start out with a swatch. Ooh, what a beautiful, yeah, like patriotic blue color. It has some good pigment. Here is what that swatch looks like. I want to give this a little bit of time to just settle down before I see if it smudges. So while I wait, I'm going to go ahead and start applying this to the lower lash line. And I'm also going to apply it onto the waterline to test out if it sticks there. But even as it's drawing onto the waterline, it's sticking, but it's not showing up super pigmented. Definitely looking a little bit sheer. And then I'm also going to run it along the lash line here. And yeah, it's a nice shade of blue where it definitely pops. So that looks pretty good. Now while I wait to see if it's going to stick on my waterline, let's see if it smudges. Oh no, that smudges and comes off very easily, just like a light touch, and it's already removed and smudged away a lot. So that's a bummer because I definitely prefer an eyeliner that's just gonna stay in place, not budge, especially if you're paying at least like $20 for this NARS eyeliner. So far, I'm not too impressed by it being any better than, say, an eyeliner you could get at the Dollar Tree. And that's not even to say that the Dollar Tree eyeliners are bad. They're actually probably even better than this, ones that I have tried out. But I've only tried this out a little bit so far. Let's go ahead and see how it is. Maybe I'll try on this eye here, how it would look if I were to just apply it onto the top lash line. That might be, for me, my preferred way to wear a color like this. But yeah, it is a nice, pretty like soft, creamy formula that applies nicely on the eye, but because of that soft, creamy formula, it does also smudge and come off pretty easily. But ooh, yeah, this is a really pretty shade of blue on the upper lash line. I have like green, almost like kind of hazel green eyes, but I feel like this shade of blue is almost giving like a more kind of teal effect to my eye color, which I'm really liking. It's a really enhancing shade. But, oh, I'm so glad, even though it looks so funny on camera, having it on my lower lash line on this eye and my top lash line on this eye, but I'm really glad I tried it out that way because I really like how it looks just on the top lash line and not wearing it on the lower lash line. I feel like that actually balances out really nicely. It's flattering to the eye and actually very wearable. I find it to be much more wearable on the top lash line than the lower lash line. Like, I would wear this even on just a casual makeup day. It's in my comfort zone, surprisingly, which is not something that I would have expected from a blue eyeliner, and a kind of bright blue eyeliner at that. So let me know in the comments down below, do you like the top lash line look or the bottom lash line look better? And if you have tried this NARS Blue Lotus eyeliner before, or any other blue eyeliner, I would love to hear your favorite ways to wear it. Do you like to pair it with a red lip? Any other types of colors that you have found look really good to add to the eye look? I would just love to hear any tips in the comments down below. But overall, what I like most about this eyeliner is the color. If I had gotten this in a color that I wasn't as excited about, I would not be nearly as excited to have this in my collection because it does not last very long. It's the kind of pencil, like I said, that you have to sharpen with a sharpener, and that's just, to me, a little bit more tedious, takes a little bit more work, and if you're bringing it on the go, you have to have that pencil sharpener with you. So when it's a twist up eyeliner, I just feel like that's so much easier and better. But I'm really happy with how this eye came out, so it's worth having to sharpen this for this really nice effect. Let's check on the waterline. Wow, it's actually still a little bit on my waterline, which I'm kind of surprised to see. So maybe a color more like a brown, maybe a green, I would prefer on the lower lash line here, because it actually has like some good pigment, good staying power. But so thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon in my next video.